Hi there friends, welcome to my channel. So in today's episode, I'm going to be naming you 5 mass appealing fragrances that you can wear all year round in any situation. Now before I begin my list, make sure you hit that like button. So let's jump right into it. For number 5, I chose by the house of Ralph Lauren, and this is Polo Blue Parfum. Now this one's fresh and sweet. You get cardamom here, some lavender, it's very aromatic. It's just a very likable fragrance. It's very easy to wear. I feel like this is a good entry-level fragrance to start off with if you're just getting into collecting fragrances. A really good one by the house of Ralph Lauren. This is Polo Blue Parfum. Number 4 will be by the house of Mont Blanc, and this is Explorer. Now this one is very aromatic. You get citruses off the top. Then as it dries on, it's going to become smoky, earthy, musky. It does smell a little bit like Creed Aventus off the top, but after as it transitions, it goes into a different direction. It goes in its own direction. But just a very likable scent, very smoky, very likable. I haven't met one person that does not like this fragrance. It's a really good one. By the house of Mont Blanc, this is Explorer. Number 3 is by the house of Giorgio Armani, and this is Aqua Parfum. Now this is the mature version comparing to the original. The Profumo unfortunately got discontinued, so if you can't get your hands on that one, this is a good one also to get. Spicy, it's fresh, it's aquatic. It's a very likable fragrance, very popular fragrance. Giorgio Armani, Aqua di Gio, you can't go wrong with this. It's just one of those fragrances that you must have at least one of the flankers in your collection. Like, it's a really good fragrance and you get your money's worth with this one. Number 2 is by the house of Yves Saint Laurent, and this is called Myself. Now this one just came out last year. It's very fresh, aromatic. It does have some sweetness to it. It's a little bit playful. I feel like this is a great evening fragrance on top of the daytime as well, but it works really well in the evening. I had many compliments with this one. Very good fragrance by the house of Yves Saint Laurent. Yves Saint Laurent, in my opinion, makes the best date night fragrances. So if you're looking for a fragrance for like a casual day wear or whatever, date night, this is the one to get. You don't want to miss out on this one. And number 1 is by the house of Chanel, and this is Bleu de Chanel Eau de Parfum. Now this is by far the best concentration. It's very sophisticated, very alluring. It's spicy, it's fresh. You get a little bit of lipstick vibes, not too much. Just a really classy fragrance. It has a really good name, the status name. Really good Chanel. You wearing a Chanel, it's like wearing a top of the line suit, brand name suit. Like, it's just a really good fragrance. In my opinion, the Eau de Parfum is the best, but some people prefer the Parfum or the Toilette, but that's their opinion. In my opinion, is Eau de Parfum. Yeah. So write down in the comment section below. Let me know if you tried any of these fragrances and which one's your favorite. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Peace.